bring your awareness to your chest and begin to breathe with the rhythm of your body. Command your heartbeat to sync up with your breath. It's a thought. Say, I command my heartbeat to sync up with my breath. And if your eyes aren't already closed, when you are ready, close your eyes. Stare at the space behind your eyelids. Focus in on your third eye. And as you breathe with the rhythm of your body, your third eye is now in sync with the rhythm of your breath. So as you concentrate and focus on the space behind your eyelids, feel your third eye opening and closing with the rhythm of your breath. And from a heart-centered space, I want you to open a portal between your heart and the center of your head. With each inhale and exhale, the portal opens wider and wider. As your mind and your heart become one. And as you breathe with the rhythm of your body, you begin to feel your astral body loosening up inside of your physical body. And as your astral body loosens its hold within your physical body, as you inhale and exhale, your astral body begins to float outside of your physical body. It is safe for your astral body to travel out while you are sleeping and gather information that you need when you wake up. It is safe for your astral body to leave your physical body And as you breathe with the rhythm of your body and your heartbeat is synced up with your breath, you are staring at the space behind your eyelids as your third eye opens and closes to the rhythm of your heartbeat, and your mind and your body are one. It is now safe for your astral body to leave your physical body and allow your physical body to rest. So as your astral body begins to leave your physical body, your third eye closes and allows your mind to rest. Breathe with the rhythm of your body and feel your astral body begin to leave your physical body, floating right above it. Your astral body is connected to your physical body with a limitless silver string. It's connected to your belly button. So no matter where your astral body goes in the universe, it will always know its way back to you. As you breathe with the rhythm of your body and your heartbeat is synced up with your breath, it's time to relax and allow for your astral body to leave your physical body and allow for it to rest. Your astral body is safe. Your physical body is safe. You are permitted rest and relaxation. You are allowed to go to sleep. As you breathe with the rhythm of your body and your astral body is floating above your physical body, you are in a state of relaxation. Allow your astral body to travel and go and retrieve the information that you need for tomorrow. As you take a breath in and you exhale out, your astral body drifts further and further away, allowing for your physical body to rest. as your heartbeat and your breath are synced up, and your mind and your body are one. It is safe for you to rest. It is safe for you to go to sleep. It is safe for you to go into a deep sleep. As your body rests, relaxes, and begins to recharge, and your astral body has left your physical body, and your heartbeat is synced up with your breath. As you fall away in a safe space into a deep sleep.